How to fix Zalo app not working. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, the application should start working. If the app still does not work, there might be some bugs. Update the app. Open Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for Zalo. You can see the results over here. Find the application for Zalo and tap on it. Tap on the option Update if it is available. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. After that, the bug should be fixed. The application should start working. If the app still does not work, try clearing the cache. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Zalo and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Go back. Use the Zalo application. It should start working. If not, uninstall the Zalo app and install it again. After that, the application should start working. Sometimes there might be some glitch in the device itself. Restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart the device. Once you do that, the device will be restarted and your problem will be fixed. Like this, you can fix Zalo app not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.